fine.
It's good to know this. Hey man, you okay? Oh my, Wally Wallace.
I'm Wally Wallace, you're right. And I blow the whistle on your bad new health habit. Since the H1N1's spreading around, we no longer sneeze into the hands, the chapel sneeze. That's gone. Now, what we're supposed to do is a little bit more dark or sinister, called the Dracula sneeze, where you sneeze the germs into your arm.
Good man. Good job.
Yeah, thanks.
No, that's
Hey,
good.
Sloan.
How's it going, Cindy?
I'm good, thanks. Oh, this is cute. You know that video project we had to do? I have a question about that.
Mrs. Hewitt, you're back. I heard you were sick and you're back again.
Yes, I'm back, feeling a little bit better.
Oh, good, good. Nice to see you. Nice to see you, too. Well, she's practicing good H1N1 health habits. Just remember, kids, that... excuse me, I feel a little warm all of a sudden. Anyway, stay healthy. Don't let me blow the whistle on you.